everyone, welcome back to Abrar channel. In this video we are going to discuss about ISO 9001 2015 version, class number 9. Class number 9, as you all know, performance evaluation, and class number 9 itself come from check, like plan, do, check, act. Until class number 7 we have plan, and class number 8 that is operation, that is do, and class number 9 is all about check, right? Class number 10 I'm going to make another video, that is improvement, that comes in act. Let's go back and talk about a little bit of precursor point what this class is all about. Has got three classes: 9.1 monitoring, measurement, analysis and evaluation, and 9.2 all about internal audit, 9.3 management review, right? Let's go back and a little bit dwell more in detail, right? 9.1 has got three subsection. First, it talks about general. In the general, it gives more information that any data when you have, we need to monitor it, we need to measure it, we need to check the effectiveness of it. For example, let's say customer satisfaction. If you take it, the next item, customer satisfaction, whether we are improving, enhancing the customer satisfaction, and what is the trend, what is the effectiveness of customer satisfaction. And then that's what is being generally outlined in 9.1.1. 9.1.2 is very wonderful class, that is called customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction, as I said in the previous video, we always need to relate to 5.1.2. 5.1.2 is all about customer focus. It basically outlined like what is the customer requirement, how we need to have maintained document information and all that. In this in this particular class, there is a clear-cut information how you need to measure the degree of perception, customer perception, and also in the note, although it's not the requirement, in the note section it has given very beautifully. The customer satisfaction can include, it can also be measurement data, it can be warranty analysis, it can be voice of customer, it can be anything. That's in the complementary, it can be business reviews and all that. That's what it is being discussed in 9.1.2. 9.1.3 is very wonderful class, little bit extended version to the previous version what we have, ISO 9001 2008. What we have in analysis and evaluation, it stresses so much about it has A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7 requirements are there, and in that the whole things is focused more on the effectiveness. For example, monitor the supplier performance, that is external provider, monitor the effectiveness of customer satisfaction, monitor the compliances of the process, monitor the effectiveness of quality management system. It has given some inputs like what are the ways we can improvise, we can have the monitoring measurement system. In this one, it is beautifully outlined, summarized in A to J subheading, subclasses as such. Let's go back to let's go to 9.2 internal audit. Internal audit and the management review. The first sentence start, the organization shall conduct internal audit. There is an adjective being used at planned intervals. We need to define the frequency. We may do an audit quarterly, half-yearly, annually, or anything. We need to define the frequency. That frequency can be adjusted based on the criticality, based on the process effectiveness, based on the change in the process and all that. So, and then in that there is something called ISO 19011, that is auditing management system. This has been linked. So that is standard if you look at. So it also gives like how to do an audit, how to conduct an audit, how to have an opening meeting, closing meeting, when you need to give a finding, and all these clarity is being linked in annexure called ISO 19011. So please follow my previous video. You will get more information about the standard called ISO 19011. Let's go back. Let's see the last and final class, that is called 9.3 management review. The number one change is management representative is not the requirement, but the roles responsibility is still there actually. For example, in general, they clarified like what are the why in management review is important, and then input they have given agenda. For example, management review agenda, like you need to discuss the customer complaint, you need to discuss customer satisfaction, you need to discuss their action to address the risk and opportunity, you need to discuss lot of points being given in this particular class. The very output of this one, whatever that management, whatever that leadership gives an direction, in that we need to improvise further. The main output, the main key thing is it should enhance the effectiveness of quality management system. So this is all about class number 10. I will be making yet another video discussing class number 10. With that, the whole chapter, whole classes of ISO 9001 2015 get completed. Stay tuned for further information and knowledge. Have a great